If you're a dog owner who's tired of YouTube videos and confusing training guides, Woofz pitches itself as a solution: personalized training plans, behavior modules, puppy care tools, and a modern app experience. Many legitimate features show up. User reviews highlight a clean, intuitive interface, video tutorials for basic obedience, each act tricks, a health Nove8 journal tracker for dogs, and decent feedback about seeing real progress in this kind of structured format. Review platforms show good ratings, 4.6 out of 5, etc., for many users. But some red flags. The subscription model is fairly aggressive. While there may be a free trial, many free bits are very light and you'll quickly be nudged into paying. Also, several users report issues with cancellations, unexpected charges, and some features not loading properly. Woofz appears legitimate. It's a real app from a real company with real users and useful features. But it is not perfect, and you should go in with your eyes open. It works best for basic training and tracking. It's less suited to complex behavioral issues that require a real-life trainer. And you should be clear about the cost/subscription before you commit.